So this was a pop quiz 2 related to motion. In the first, a car starts from a rest. A table shows a reading of its from its speedometer every 10 seconds. Which would describe the motion of the car in the first 30 seconds and the last 30 seconds? So motion of the car in the first 30 seconds, if we compare. So here the acceleration, because options are given a non-zero acceleration or a zero acceleration. Acceleration refers to if the speed is constant, if speed is not changing, it means acceleration is zero. So in this case, because the speed is changing, like it was 0 changes to 4, 4 changes to 8, 8 changes to 12. So what it shows it has a non-zero acceleration in the first 30 seconds. So acceleration is non-zero in the first 30 seconds. And for the last 30 seconds, from 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60, you will see that the speed is not changing. Like it is 12 throughout. So it means the acceleration in this part is 0. Or acceleration is 0, or we can also say the speed is constant. So during the motion during the first 30 seconds, it has a non-zero acceleration, where motion in the last 30 seconds, we can say it has a zero acceleration, or we can also say it has a constant speed. So constant speed and non-zero acceleration, so it matches with option D. So D is the right answer. In question 2, a rocket is launched vertically upward from a ground. The rocket travel with a uniform acceleration from the rest. So if anything start with a rest, so the starting speed or initial speed is 0. 8 seconds pass and the final speed is 120. We need the acceleration of the rocket. So if you want to calculate the acceleration, the formula acceleration is a change in velocity divided by the time interval. So what is the change in velocity? It's final minus initial divided by time. The final is 120, initial or starting is 0, and the time interval is 8. So it will be 120 divided by 8, which is equals to 15, and the unit of acceleration meter per second square. So 15 meter per second square. Is it clear? Question 2 part A. Then on the figure 1.1, draw a graph to explain the motion of a rocket in the first 8 seconds. So in the first 8 seconds, the rocket is having a constant acceleration. So constant acceleration means it must be a straight line. And what is the speed after 8 seconds? So speed of the rocket after 8 seconds, that is equals to 120. So we have the time interval. So 10 boxes equals to